Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best LG dryer parts is probably one of the most essential components to keep your laundry routine running smoothly, ensuring your LG dryer continues to perform at its peak efficiency and reliability for years to come. When your dryer starts acting up, whether it's failing to heat, tumbling erratically, or making unusual noises, the right replacement part can be the difference between a costly repair service call or a simple DIY fix that saves you both time and money, so understanding what to look for is crucial for any homeowner. Number 5. LG Kenmore Dryer Lint Filter ADQ 566566401. Introducing an upgraded stainless steel mesh lint filter designed for LG and Kenmore dryers. It effectively captures lint and debris, ensuring optimal performance. This replacement part, with its durable ABS frame and stainless steel screen, is engineered for a perfect fit. It's built to last and capture more lint than ever before. Is your dryer's lint filter broken or missing? This is the ideal solution. It traps lint and debris from the dryer exhaust, preventing potential issues. Crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested, this lint filter assembly provides a reliable and durable replacement. It's designed to keep your dryer running smoothly. You'll receive the lint screen trap and a bonus dryer lint vent trap cleaning brush. We're committed to your satisfaction and offer prompt assistance for any questions. This lint filter is compatible with a wide range of LG and Kenmore dryer models, including specific part numbers like ADQ 566564 and AP445724. Check our list for your model. What we like. This lint filter offers an upgraded stainless steel mesh for enhanced durability and lint capture. It also comes with a handy cleaning brush to keep your dryer vent clear. If you're looking for a robust replacement that tackles lint effectively and includes a helpful accessory, this is a great choice. What people say. The dryer works great. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The part was exactly what I needed and it fit perfectly. Number 4. Romalon 5231L1001C Dryer Lint Filter. Is your dryer taking too long to dry clothes or not drying them properly? It might be time to replace your old lint filter. This upgraded filter is designed to capture debris effectively, improving airflow and reducing drying time. Crafted from durable materials, this lint filter assembly ensures long-lasting and effective performance. It meets OEM standards and is built to last, providing a reliable solution for your dryer. Say goodbye to cracked or worn-out lint filters. This replacement part effectively captures lint and debris, allowing air to flow freely. It can help resolve issues like unusual smells and inefficient drying. Replacing your lint filter is simple. Just ensure you empty the lint slot before installation. Remember to turn off the power and wear gloves for your safety. This filter is designed to be compatible with many LG and Kenmore dryer models. Please check the product description for a full list of compatible part numbers and models. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year after-sales guarantee. If you have any issues, our professional team is ready to assist you. What we like. This lint filter is crafted from premium, durable materials designed to maximize your dryer's efficiency and reduce drying time. It's built to meet OEM standards for long-lasting performance. If you're experiencing longer drying cycles or inefficient performance, this filter is designed to fix those issues and offers a 1-year guarantee for peace of mind. What people say. The dryer part was an exact fit and worked perfectly. Installation was straightforward and the part functions as expected. The quality of the replacement part exceeded my expectations, and it resolved the issue with my dryer efficiently. Number 3. Romalon Dryer Thermal Fuse and Thermostat Kit. This kit includes a thermostat and a thermal fuse, designed to precisely control your dryer's temperature and prevent overheating. It ensures your appliance runs safely and efficiently. These parts are direct replacements for several OEM numbers, ensuring compatibility with many LG and Kenmore dryer models. They are designed to fit seamlessly into your existing appliance. Installing this kit is straightforward. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions, noting the wiring, and you'll have your dryer back in working order in no time. Safety first, so remember to turn off the power. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, these components meet OEM standards for long-lasting performance. They are rigorously tested to ensure reliability and effectiveness. This kit can resolve issues like the dryer not starting, taking too long to dry, or not heating properly. It helps maintain the ideal temperature for optimal drying results. We offer a full 365-day return and exchange service for your peace of mind. Our dedicated customer support team is available to assist with compatibility questions or any concerns you may have. What we like. This kit includes both a thermostat and a thermal fuse for comprehensive temperature regulation and safety. Its precise temperature control helps prevent damage to clothes from overheating. If your dryer is having trouble starting, not heating properly, or shutting off too early, this dual-component kit is designed to resolve those common issues and comes with a full year of return service. What people say. The part was an exact fit for my LG dryer model. It was easy to install and the dryer is now working perfectly. The quality of the replacement part seems very good. Number 2. Kenmore Washer Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? Discover the ultimate solution to stack your washer and dryer efficiently. It's designed to save you precious space. This stacking kit is designed to fit most washers and dryers, with adjustable sizes from 24 to 29 inches. You can easily adapt it to your specific appliances. Crafted from high-quality plastic and steel, this kit offers exceptional strength and stability. It's built for durability, ensuring a long service life without damaging your machines. No need to worry about compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with popular brands like Samsung, LG, GE, Whirlpool, and many more. Setting it up is a breeze. You won't need any tools. Simply place it between your appliances, adjust as needed, and secure with the included straps. We even provide detailed instructions and a video guide. What we like. This stacking kit is a universal, adjustable solution designed to save significant space in your laundry area by allowing you to stack your washer and dryer. It's constructed from sturdy plastic and steel for stability without damaging your appliances. If you have limited laundry space and want a simple, secure way to stack your machines, this kit offers an easy, tool-free installation. What people say. The dryer heats up quickly and dries clothes efficiently. The control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to select the right drying cycle. The large capacity drum can accommodate bulky items like comforters and blankets with ease. Number 1. LG Kenmore Dryer Lint Filter ADQ 566566401. Ensure your dryer runs efficiently with our premium lint filter. It's designed to effectively capture lint and debris, keeping your machine in top condition. Crafted with a robust ABS frame and a stainless steel metal screen, this filter is built to last. Experience reliable performance with every use. This lint filter is compatible with a wide range of LG and Kenmore dryer models. Please verify the part number ADQ 566566401 for a perfect fit. Replacing your old filter is simple. Just slide this new one in to maintain optimal airflow and prevent lint buildup, ensuring your clothes dry faster. Please note this is the ADQ 566566401 model with notches. It is different from the 5231EL 1003B model. Compare your old filter carefully to ensure compatibility. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for prompt assistance. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This lint filter is specifically designed with notches to ensure a precise fit for certain LG and Kenmore dryer models, differentiating it from similar-looking parts. It features durable construction with a stainless steel mesh screen to effectively capture lint. If you've had trouble finding the exact right filter for your dryer and want to avoid compatibility issues, this option provides clear size comparisons and model fitment to ensure you get the correct part. What people say. The dryer works great and is easy to install. This part was exactly what I needed to fix my dryer and it works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.